To make the snowman, we're going to start by making a hat. I'm going to make a green hat, and I'm going to roll out a nice bowl of fondant about the size of a golf ball, making sure to pick it up every few rolls so it doesn't stick to the surface. To cut out the hat, I'm going to use my cake board as a guide. You could also use a round cookie cutter that's 3 to 4 inches, or you could use a bowl that's the same diameter. Once you have a circle, we're just going to cut that circle roughly in half, and then we're going to make the fringe of the hat. So you're going to need a toothpick or a sharp knife for this. I like to use a toothpick, and then I'm just going to score the straight edge to make the fringe of the hat. Once you've created the fringe, we're going to place it on the cake so that the fringe side comes roughly halfway down the cake, and just smooth it with the tips of your fingers. And if it's not sticking because your frosting is set, you can just use a little dab of water. Now we're just going to create a little tassel for the hat. So I like to roll out one piece of fondant really thin. I'm using the red fondant, and then I'm just going to cut it into even size pieces. I probably don't need this much, but I want to cut between 5 and 7 even size pieces. You can use your toothpick to cut, or you can use a sharp knife. Once you cut all your even pieces, you just want to pinch them at one end and then separate them at the other end. And then this will get stuck to the green hat. And I'm just going to use a little dab of water so that the fondant sticks. I'm going to use that excess red fondant to make a nice red nose for our snowman. So I've made a bowl, and then I just squeeze it gently flat and place it in the center. Now I need to make some brown fondant, and this is going to be for the snowman's eyes and his mouth. For the eyes, I'm just making 2 small bowls about the size of peas and just placing them by the nose. For the mouth, I like to roll a nice snake shape, and so then I can cut even pieces for the hole. Then these can get placed in a nice happy face for a happy snowman.